Welcome to my channel Shifted Drive. The 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO is a high-performance full-size SUV created for drivers who love power, strong road presence and sporty character. It takes the legendary Petrol and enhances it with NISMO motorsport influence to deliver a bold and confident driving experience. This SUV is designed for those who want excitement without giving up comfort and everyday usability. From the outside, the Patrol NISMO looks aggressive and commanding. The body sits wider and lower compared to the standard Patrol, giving it a more athletic stance. The front design features a bold grille, large air intakes and sharp LED headlights that highlight its performance identity. NISMO styling elements, dark accents and sporty alloy wheels add to its powerful appearance on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Patrol NISMO continues with a strong Petrol V8 engine known for smooth delivery and impressive power. The engine produces high horsepower and strong torque, making acceleration feel effortless despite the vehicle's size. Power is delivered through a refined automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and responds quickly when more performance is needed. The sound of the engine adds to the driving excitement, especially during acceleration. NISMO engineers have tuned the suspension to improve handling and stability. The upgraded suspension setup helps reduce body roll and keeps the SUV planted at higher speeds. Wider tires and a broader track improve grip and control, especially during cornering. Even with its sporty setup, the ride remains comfortable enough for daily driving and long journeys. Inside the cabin, the Patrol NISMO combines luxury with a sporty atmosphere. The seats are designed to provide strong support and comfort and feature premium materials with sporty detailing. The interior layout feels spacious and well built with high-quality finishes throughout. The driver-focused cockpit makes it easy to control such a powerful vehicle with confidence. Technology in the Patrol NISMO is modern and practical. The infotainment system supports navigation, smartphone connectivity and entertainment features. A digital driver display provides clear driving information, while climate control and premium audio enhance comfort for all passengers. Multiple storage areas and charging ports make the cabin convenient for everyday use. Safety features help manage the power and size of this SUV. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane support, blind spot monitoring and emergency braking. These systems work together to provide a safer and more relaxed driving experience. On the road, the 2026 Patrol NISMO feels confident, stable and powerful. It is more focused on on-road performance than extreme off-road driving, but it still offers capable four-wheel drive for rough conditions. Highway driving feels smooth and controlled, while overtaking and acceleration are effortless. The 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO stands as a celebration of petrol-powered performance in a segment that is rapidly changing. It offers bold design, strong performance and NISMO character wrapped in a luxurious SUV package. What do you think about the 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO? Is this the kind of performance SUV you would choose? Share your opinion and stay connected for more car reviews and future vehicle updates.